Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have a 2008 and to 2010 Dodge Dakota and you're trying to replace the rear light bulb on either an extended cab or a quad cab, I'll show you how to remove that fixture. Come with me. You know what, let's grab some tools actually real quick. We're gonna grab a shorty screwdriver and a plastic trim tool. All right, there we go. Where am I? Oh, there you are. Okay, so this is the part I'm talking about. So there's a little, this is specifically for my year of the Dodge Dakota. It might have it with the Dodge Ram, also might have it with the Dodge Durango. So right here, there's gonna be a little slot. Actually, it's perfect width of your screwdriver. You can pop it in there and you're gonna get rid of that. There you go. You pop that out. And as you can see, once that lens pops out, and that's what clips it onto here. And then you have that other part that keeps it on that part right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the plug is actually on the inside. It's a little clip. Oh shit. Try to see if I can do this two-handed. Here. I just lost my tool. Alright, so let's see if we can do it with my fingers. There we go. Okay. So the clip here, as you can see, it has like a clamp that goes like this around the inner stage, or the inner clip right there. I don't know if you can see it where my finger's pointing. Actually, you know what? Let's take this to the table. Sorry for the noise, that's my swamp cooler that's going in the background. So like I was stating, right here, there's a little tab and your clip comes in and clips onto that, and you just take that off, and then this is your light bulb. As you can see, this was an LED, but this is kind of being finicky on me. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if it's short circuiting, because sometimes it'll turn on and sometimes it won't. So I'm going to try to put a different type of light bulb attached to this. We'll see if I'll be able to or not. Yeah, but that's how you remove your, I guess, rear compartment light for a 2008, 2010 Dodge Dakota. Thanks guys, bye.